integration in Hindi it is samakalan. It is just reverse to differentiation. Represented by capital I, this is notation. Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. C is where any constant. We can understand like that x to the power n is equal to c. If we differentiate with respect to x, we will get this one, and n is constant, x to the power n, and differentiation of c is 0, dx plus 0. If we take integration of both sides, it will become n x to the power n minus 1 dx, and applying this formula x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 n upon n plus 1, here in the place of n is 0 and here n minus 1, we apply them, we find 0 plus 1 and x to the power n minus 1 plus 1 n minus 1 plus 1. 1 cancel out, it will become like that, and constant c, suppose c. So n x to the power n upon n plus c, and we will able to get previous function y is equal to x to the power n plus c. It means differentiation is just equals to integration. All the formulas of differentiation we can convert into integration, like x to the power n upon n plus 1 plus c. If you differentiate x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, will get the x to the power n. Similarly, sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, because differentiation of cos x minus sin x, or minus is adjusted here, and cos x dx is equal to sin x. We know differentiation of tan square x is sec square x, then integration of sec square x is tan x. Similarly, cosec square x, we know differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, minus is adjust here, this is cot x. Similarly, all the formula is convert into integration. Sec x tan x is equal to sec x, and cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x, minus is adjusted here, minus cosec x. e to the power x, a to the power x, we know differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a base e, and it will become log e base a, or a to the power x divided by log a base e. Similarly, log x differentiation is 1 upon x, so it is log x base e. All the inverse function like that, under root 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x. 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x, and 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 dx is sec inverse x. If many integration is combined, addition of these f1x, f2x, f3x, fn x dx. If it is plus, then plus. If minus, then minus. f1x dx plus f2x dx plus f3x dx plus fnx dx, like that. This way we can integrate directly any function. X to the power 3, integration is x to the power 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus c means x to the power 4 or 4 plus c. Integration of under root 1 plus cos 2x dx. We integrate. Here we know cos 2a is equal to 1, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and we get here put 2 cos square x, and we'll find root 2 cos x, and we know integration of cos x is sin x. This way we integrate.